What's good, guys? It's your boy CS. Right now, we're seeing a lot of a bloodbath going on within the markets, and a lot of people are asking what's going on, where are we heading. Well, I'll be honest with you, I did say we were going to get some temporary pain in my last few videos for those who have been watching, right? And I kept saying we might come down and test this weekly support, which is that red ribbon there, and it has played out. If it goes further, of course, these are more buying, in my opinion, more buying opportunities. But I do feel like we're in a trend right now, and we're in a full reversal. And I do see us going up. Now, there are some coins that are on actual offer right now. Brett is currently at this support level here on the daily, massive support level, and it kind of corresponds with a few other charts, such as Solana, which I've just put in some longs in here, because that's hit off the daily 50 EMA and also now coming back into the support zone. So as I am a man of my word, I'm going to put $3,200 on leverage on Brett right now because we're bleeding and I love it when it bleeds. Just bought $3,206. Yeah? And that's how you keep buying. And my liquidation levels are way below 1 billion market cap, 0.1. And this is how you do it. You buy in red. And we look for things like this. I don't usually, I may have done a one-off transaction where I bought a green candle, right? But we buy in red. And this is what makes you great and separates you from everybody else. Buying in red. I literally just bought $3,200 worth of Brett. And I personally, even though I feel this is a fake out of the symmetrical triangle, I really do feel we're going to go back in here and blow past this, right? I feel like this is just a fake out and we're going to get a really big retrace coming back to the upside. And then from there, we'll need to see what happens. But again, I'm long-term bullish. I'm teaching you guys to buy these big dips. I wouldn't say it if I wouldn't do it myself, right? And I've literally just bought $3,000 right in front of you. Yeah. And this is what makes, again, those who are weak hands and those who are diamond hands, like the people who are diamond handing and buying even more and DCAing even more like I am now, this is what's going to separate me from the rest of them in the bull market, like the full bull alt season bull market is what I'm talking about. And actually, just to see the correlation, we've actually hit this banding now at 5.16%. Ideally, we do want it to retrace, which I feel that we will do, underneath this particular horizontal resistance. Otherwise, we are going to 5.31, which means there is more on discount and more for you to buy there. But DCA in, if you're on spot, this is a must. You must DCA in on spots. If you're on leverage, remember, be careful on your liquidation levels. Hence the reason why I'm a bit more reserved on Ponky and Casper, right? I don't really want to touch those liquidation levels at those prices by getting in where we're at right now. I could do, but look where my liquidation levels are on Brett. I feel comfortable adding more here. And so what I'm trying to say to you is, and I'm going to do a separate video, but as a market update, always have patience. Like I said, when the market gives a temporary slap, temporary retrace, and again, we could go up here, could even go up here. But just because we got here, I'm taking the risk to buy some here. I'm taking the risk to buy some here, right? And I'll take more risk to buy some there. And I'll take more risk to buy some there. It doesn't matter to me. Because at the end of the day, my future is going to be cemented by buying these big ass red dildo candles right down here, and everyone else is afraid to do so. And remember, I bought this at 9.99%, right? So 10% is when I bought this at this candle, right? It could go down. It really could go down. There could be even more discounts on offer. But truthfully, buying here, I am not displeased with my actions. I'm actually very much happy with my actions in buying here. And so should you. You have to train your mind to do what the herd isn't doing. The herd are selling their bags. No, we're going to go deeper. We're going to go deeper. We may even go deeper, but you sold your bags, you fool. And then you're looking for another entry. And if we go further down, you're probably going to get liquidated here because you think that's the bottom. But if you DCA in, dollar cost average in very nicely and smoothly, you'll actually make the best entry that you can, and subsequent entries as well. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket, and that's why I say DCA in, especially my leverage kings, DCA in slowly. If your liquid levels are below 0.1, you're chilling. You're chilling right now. If we went further down, then obviously that's when you'd have to reconsider your game plan. Do I need to add actually more money to my margin levels to make sure that it doesn't go below 0.1? Like I said, I don't think it will, but I'm not a mind reader. I'm going off what works for me. I'm willing to take that risk. As some people say in my VIP chat, no risk, no Ferrari, right? Very, very much applicable to this situation. A lot of people are shitting the bed right here. Look, 4 red candles, man. We've dropped from 70k all the way down to 62k. We've lost 62k. That's a massive retrace, in my opinion, because we've gone up that quick and we've come down now this quick. And I do feel that historically, getting past this 20 EMA on the weekly is so difficult. Like, you guys know how much religiously I've shown this to you in a previous video where I've gone through the history of Bitcoin from way back when, from all the way here, and I've gone on a weekly basis and shown you how this red line always gets kissed in an uptrend. It always gets kissed in an uptrend. Even here, when we went down 1 week, we came back up and touched it, and then we went flying above it. And we've had 2 kisses above it. And so I do feel this is a retrace. I could be wrong, could go lower. I don't know, but I'm willing to take the risk. And that's what you do when you buy red candles. You take a risk. All right, guys, it's a short one from me. Hopefully you do what's right for you. And hopefully it ends up with you guys winning. But everybody's on my team. Like I said, discounts galore. One quick one on Ponky. Literally on the edge of this. Bouncing off this falling wedge. Bouncing off it beautifully. Look, bouncing. Once we get over to this side, breakout. We hope anyway. We pray. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I'll catch you.